Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of digital banking with the India Post Payments Bank, IPPB, Virtual Debit Card for 2025. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or want a secure, hassle-free way to make online payments, this is the guide you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First off, what exactly is the IPPB Virtual Debit Card? It's a digital version of a traditional debit card provided by IPPB, India's postal service turned banking innovator. In 2025, this card is packed with advanced features like seamless integration with mobile wallets, biometric security, and real-time transaction alerts, making it perfect for the tech-savvy user. To begin, you'll need to download the IPPB app from your device's app store. Once installed, open the app and sign up using your Aadhaar number and mobile OTP for verification. It's quick and secure, taking less than a minute. Next, navigate to the Cards section in the app. Here, you can generate your virtual debit card instantly. You'll be prompted to set a PIN and link it to your IPPB account. Don't forget to fund your account via UPI, bank transfer, or even cash deposits at your local post office. Now, for the fun part, using your card. For online shopping, simply enter the virtual card details provided in the app at checkout. It works just like a regular card but with added security features like tokenization, which masks your real card info. In 2025, you can even use it for contactless payments via NFC on supported devices. One key tip: always enable two-factor authentication and monitor your transactions regularly to keep your funds safe. IPPB has upgraded its fraud detection in 2025, so you'll get instant notifications for any suspicious activity. Wrapping this up, using the IPPB Virtual Debit Card is a game-changer for secure and convenient banking. Give it a try and experience the future of finance. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.